Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you get free Hulu Premium on iOS and Android. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. All right, so the first step is to go to hulu.com. Let's click on the first one here. Now from here, click on Get Them Both. Alright, so here we are not going to choose bundle and save. We are going to choose base plans for this one. Okay, so from here we can see Hulu no ads, and here we can see that says get first month for free. Alright, so let's select this one. Okay, so from here you can follow the prompt and provide your information and fill in the form right here. Now, the idea here is to cancel your subscription before your first month of free trial ends. So you can always create a new account and take advantage of the free trial. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.